Welcome back. I'm Kerry Stanton, and today, in honor of the Olympics being hosted by Brazil, we're going to make Brigadeiro, which are really soft little truffles. And you can roll them in toasted coconut, or you can roll them in crushed toasted almonds. And so we have both of those options today. So to the pot, I'm going to add one 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Then we have 3 tablespoons of butter. That goes in there. I just cubed it up small so that it melts easier. And then we have a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. That goes in there as well. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Right now we're gonna go to the stove and put this over medium-low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring pretty frequently. So you want to cook it until it starts to pull away from the sides. Let's do that one more time. So now you're gonna transfer the mixture into a bowl and allow it to cool for at least 2 hours. So now, to roll the Brigadeiro out, I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop and just get a little bit of it. And then you can either pop it in your hand. It's also really good if you rub your hands with a little bit of butter. That way it won't stick as much. Or you can just use the ice cream scoop to go right into your toppings. So this is crushed almond. And there you have it.